Millions of years ago, a volcano erupted somewhere in the world. At first, the lava from the volcano was so hot that it was liquid, and the lava flowed down the mountain. In time, the lava cooled enough to form a solid rock. Rocks that are formed by volcanoes are called igneous rocks. Again, that's igneous. The best known igneous rocks are probably basalt and granite. But the rock I'm talking about was probably a type of igneous rock called rhyolite. Over time, and we're talking millions of years here, the sun shone, the wind blew, the rain and snow fell, and little by little, tiny pieces of the rhyolite would break off and get washed down the mountain into a river. Given enough time, you see, the weather can erode or gradually destroy any rock. We call this process erosion. Erosion, and it's a key concept. The river then washed the tiny grains of rhyolite down to the sea where they slowly, gradually sank to the sea floor. Over time, and we're talking thousands to tens of thousands of years here, more and more tiny pieces of rock built up to form layers of sediment. The layers at the top pushed down on the ones at the bottom of the sea floor. As more rock built up, pressure became greater, and it became hotter too. The heat and pressure caused the tiny pieces of rock to join together to form sandstone, a common sedimentary rock. At this point, the sandstone was lying at the bottom of a sea, but as millions of years passed, Earth went through dramatic changes. Gradually, mountains eroded down to nothing. Slowly, islands formed and disappeared. Inch by inch, continents moved north or south or east or west. Sometimes, rock that was underwater got pushed up above water. And that's what happened with this rock, the one in my hand. At some point during its history, the layer of sandstone from which this rock came was raised high above the seawater to form hills on land. After the sandstone bed was raised up, the wind and rain and snow began to erode it.